Some of the mess here, they've excavated this out. Oh my, yes. There's the new valve. Oh, fancy green handle on it. Get you close up with the green handle. Ooh.
More drainage is an understatement, huh?
Yeah, that's a little bit of a problem there. You better hope it don't leak.
Well, no, that's under the soil the whole time.
Oh, good.
The drainage, the house.
Right, but he had it on, right.
Right, no, it would have still went down.
All right, we're talking.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
There's the box. It's going to go over there.
Probably waiting for it to drain so he can step in it.
There's
oh no, he's got his slickers on over there.
Schlickers. So there's...
Right, so there's two lines going in the backyard, which are right here. That would be zone probably 4 and 5. This side zone is probably 3, which wraps around.
We'll find out later where it goes.
And then 1 and 2, and then 6 goes
all the way over there. Right. So anyway, he's got a mess of plumbing to put together. So now he's digging the lawn up. The dog is barking, going fucking crazy. Nothing new here. Digging it up, digging it up, digging it up. Pushing a rock, turning around, pushing a rock. There's the manifold. It's going in. Very similar to mine. I think it's wired. It's got red wire. Fancy. So they're going to work on the box, and they're working on the heads and doing their thing. There's the manifold. Sitting in the muck. It's connected. There's the wire that's going to be pulled in to go where the timer is going to go. And that is pretty much it for right now. That went back pretty good, considering, you know, in here. That went back pretty nice. They're still working here, obviously. The wire was just pulled. So we're going to run that Italian, so I'll go inside. Oh, laying cable as usual.
Right. Excuse me.
Oh, fine. Right, so this comes in over here. Goes down over there. And then it's going to run over here and got to figure out where to put it.
I think this is thermostat, Honeywell. So it's probably the gray stuff I have down there.
How many conductors does it say?
Honeywell thermostat. You could probably read it, right?
I don't know. I cannot tell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So that's exactly
6 and 1.
6 and 1.
Yeah.
So here's the wire. It's 8 conductor.
Yeah.
A
Right.
wire. Black zone 1, blue zone 2, yellow zone 3, green zone 4, orange zone 5, red zone 6, white is coming.
Okay. So in the effort to be in Italian, this is where it's going to go, over here. I got to turn my sprinklers on. Okay, and then it runs up over here, and it runs down over here. Which I don't know where it ran. Probably on this side, being Italian, right? Don't fix this wire. No, leave that hang, but put it all nice over here. Right, run it over there, and it runs over here, all the way over here, all the way over here, over here, through there, right, over there. Oh, homeowner special. And it runs over here. Oh, homeowner special. Runs over here now, over here, and all the way over here. Italian sweeping bend up and back down, huh? How you doing? Cable tied to the fucking thing, because it was Italian. Look, now we gotta make everything all pretty. That goes in there. And glory hole. Glory hallelujah. Oh, how you doing? Now they're out there wiring things. Why?
What would have been great is to see how they ran it and then fix it.
Right.
And then make fun of them on the video.
Right.
Because he probably would have, because I redid this.
Yeah.
Because nobody has any pride.
No, no more, hon.
They don't get paid to give a fucking.
Nobody does things anymore the right
Just
way.
build a wall.
Oh, put it up, take it down. They put it up, he takes it down, then he puts it back. Exactly the same as the dent, right? So it's all here, all party. Do. There's the timer, just put there. Ah, hung a little book right there. It's kind of cute. Everything here is closed up like I showed you before. No other leaks. Of course the valve is, oh, it's open now. So I guess that's all charged up. So let's head outside. Here's the aftermath of that. Mostly going to be cleaned up. Everything here is put back. This is put back. I think I showed you all that. And we're working on the heads. Colgate. There's the rain sensor on the downspout right there. That's getting wired in back to over here. This mother's house is. That would be cable tied down. A lot of this is put back now.
This is over here. Here's Harlow's driveway.
Yeah, there was one down there somewhere.
Almost with this type of property, it's almost overkill.
Yeah.